Seedance 2.5 is live. And before you get excited, no, I don't mean you can generate with it today. I mean, the presale just opened, and if you lock in now, you get unlimited Seedance 2 and 4K starting immediately. Let me break down exactly what's happening, because the timing on this matters. Higgsfield just opened presale access to Seedance 2.5, ByteDance's next flagship video model. It's not available yet, it drops in 7 days. But here's the part everyone's sleeping on. The moment you lock in the presale, you get 7 days of unlimited Seedance, 2 generations in 4K, right now, today. Then when Seedance 2.5 unlocks, you automatically roll into 7 more days of unlimited generations on the new model. 14 days total, 2 model generations, 1 presale. So what actually changes with 2.5? Look at this. That's a full 30-second continuous shot, not 4 clips stitched together and hoped for, 1 unbroken take. The camera moves, the lighting holds, the character doesn't drift halfway through like it used to. This next one shows the reference handling. You can now feed in up to 50 references in a single generation. Images, video clips, audio, style boards, text prompts, all at once. And listen to this one. Don't just watch it.
Pay and leave.
I already paid. I sat in that booth for 30 years.
You arrived 6 minutes ago.
I had a wife. I watched her get old. I held her when she... Please, somebody tell me you remember her. She was real. She was real to me.
Subject remembers the loop.
My name is not Subject!
His grief twists every life you lived. You break it, you erase every life you lived.
I already lost them. Don't go inside, please! Please listen to me!
That audio was generated in the same pass as the video. Dialogue, footsteps, ambiance, all already sitting in the cut. Nobody bolted that sound on afterward. Prompt adherence is up 2, about 20% tighter than 2, and you can see it here in the fine detail. Hair, on-screen text, small surface textures, all holding steady frame to frame instead of melting the way earlier models did. This is built for narrative shorts, action and high motion sequences, music videos, product commercials, style transfer work, basically anything where continuity used to be the weak point. Here's exactly what you're getting if you lock in the presale right now. Seedance 2.5 is live. Get 14 days of unlimited Seedance on Higgsfield. 7 days of unlimited Seedance 2 and 4K, then switch to Seedance 2.5 for the next 7 days. So to be clear, Seedance 2.5 itself unlocks in 7 days. That part isn't live yet. What is live right now is unlimited 4K generation starting the second you claim this. Links in the description and pinned in the comments. This is pre-sale pricing on a model that's about to be everywhere, so I wouldn't sit on it too long.